I made an announcement video about BlockDAG listing on Webot. But here's the problem. A lot of you signed up the wrong way and missed out on the perks. So I partnered directly with Webot to give you the official step-by-step guide. If you want to get on the platform and add BDAG to your wallet the right way, watch this right now. Here's the deal. I didn't just randomly pick a link for this video. I've actually partnered with Webot to make sure my community gets the safest, fastest access to BlockDAG here in the US. That means when you use my link and my code, you're not just signing up, you're getting the official onboarding process. No guessing, no errors, just straight access to BDAG. And in this tutorial, I'm going to hold your hand and show you exactly how to sign up, verify your account, and then add BDAG to your wallet so you're ready to trade. Let's go. Alright, so after you click the link, this is the page that you're gonna land on. There'll be a notice that Elisha 1340 has recommended you to use Webot. Then there's a text. Say kickstart wealth with Webot. So what you need to do here is you punch in the email address with which you would want to register on Webot. So punch in your email address there. Okay, so after you punch in all the details, you need to click here where it reads I agree, and then you click create account. So now let me punch in the details when you're not looking. Okay, so after you're done, you hit create account. Okay, so this will pop up. All you have to do is you move this icon so that it fuses into the other icon there, and boom, it's through, right? The verification code will be sent to your email inbox. All you have to do is you follow it up and then you copy it thereafter, you paste it back in here. Alright, as time is still ticking, let's head over to the email inbox so that we copy that code, then we come and paste it in here. Alright, so here we are. There is this code, Webot verification code. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this code and head back to Webot. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it in here, boom, and then hit confirm. Alright, so you will land here and you need to, alright, so when you get here, what you need to do is you fill in your ITIN number, okay, and then select the document that you're going to upload. So what you will be doing when you happen to do everything here is you are doing what we call the KYC, okay, that's know your customer. This is very important. If you want to be able to do any transactions on the platform, you have to actually undergo KYC. Very important. Once you're done, you need to move on. Now here's the thing. If you don't have an ITIN, okay, I have a certifying agency that can actually help you with this. So I'll leave the link. And the thing is, I've actually partnered with the same agency. So when you happen to make use of my promo code Elisha50, you're going to have a discount of $50, and they'll be able to do this within 48 hours. So this is how simple it is. So now let me fill in all the details and then show you how to add BDAG to Webot wallet. Okay, let's take a ride. So let's do this. What you do is you click wallet, then click receive crypto, then you click on top there, and then you search for BDAG. Once it pops up, click it, and then you copy the address there, and that's the one that you're going to paste on the BDAG website as you're withdrawing. All right, before I forget, let me mention that before you add your BDAG coin to your Webot account, you need to fund your wallet so as to cover gas fee. It's like driving a car. You can't drive it unless there is gasoline. So it is with crypto transference. For you to transfer crypto from the BDAG webpage, or from the X1 miner, you need to have gas fee in your Webot account. So you make sure that you deposit something, and then you do what I just demonstrated. Okay? Now, before you go, make sure that you click the link in the description section so as to land on the right page for Webot. Okay? Pretty important. Don't forget to like this video and share with those who need a guide. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and see you in the next video.